The first thing I want to cover about these Lasfit floor mats is the design. They come in a really nice dark black color, which is great for dark interiors. It hides messes, spills, dirt, things like that a lot better than some of the lighter colors or the tans or the grays. I really do love the look of them, how they have those lines and those channels that really traps the dirt from sliding around, keeps liquids from spilling, and it just looks really slick overall. Lasfit also did a really good job with the perimeter of the floor mats, how it has the high edges, which not only protect the sidewall where the carpet is, but it also helps capture the dirt and the liquid that may spill and contain it into one spot. The floor mats are not super thick, but they're also thick enough that I know that they're gonna be reliable and they're gonna hold up to a lot of wear and tear from mud, from boots, tools, shoes, anything that you throw in the vehicle, the floor mats are going to stand up to it. It's nice that the floor mats are also a little bit flexible so that you can bend it when putting the floor mats in and taking them out of your vehicle. It just makes that process a lot easier. I also like that these floor mats have little connectors on them so that they clip into the tabs that are built into the truck so they don't slide around and they stay in place. And these floor mats really do look like they were meant to be in this truck. They don't look like a cheap aftermarket part that doesn't really fit the design or the look of the F-150. So overall, I think the design of these floor mats is really great when it comes to design and durability. Now let's talk about the fitment of the floor mats. They've been designed and molded to fit this specific truck. They have clips so that they lock into place and don't slide around. They have spikes on the underside to help hold them in place. And they have a high sidewall to protect the sides of your interior to capture any spills or messes. Okay, let's talk price. For all three floor mats, the driver, passenger, and rear, all three of those cost $119 on Lasfit's website. Some competitors charge up to $200 just for the rear floor mat and upwards of $300 for all three floor mats. So price-wise, Lasfit is much more affordable than competitors. Now, unlike competitors, these floor mats are made with environmental friendly materials. So you're not going to find any harmful materials such as lead, PVC, allergens, or things like that you often find in plastics and rubbers. Now, cleaning these mats is super easy. You don't need any degreasers or chemicals or detergents. All you do is simply take the mats out of the truck and hose them down. You can use some warm water and a soap and maybe a light brush if you want to, but most of the time with the hose, they'll just clean up nice and easy. Now, Lasfit offers a lifetime warranty on their floor mats and a 90-day return policy. So if you're hesitant about these floor mats, you can rest assured knowing that you have a lifetime warranty and you can try them out for 90 days to see if they're right for you. The customer service at Lasfit is amazing. They are very responsive, they answer your questions, they are polite and courteous. Their website is great, it's easy to navigate, find the products you're looking for, and check out. Their shipping and packaging is great. The floor mats arrived to my house in a couple days. They were in a nice secure packaging with a carrying handle and wrapped up very nicely. It definitely felt like I was getting a high quality product from a high quality company. So overall, I would definitely recommend Lasfit floor mats. They've met and exceeded my expectations when it comes to price, quality, design, functionality, and customer service. So thanks for sticking with me through this entire video. I hope you found it useful and I hope it makes your decision on which floor mats to get a little bit easier. And if you've never had floor mats before, I hope this video gives you an idea of why you should consider some. And lastly, I want to offer you guys a 10% discount at Lasfit. This applies to any of their products on their website. Just use the code MF10 when you check out to get 10% off your order. I'll put the link in the description to get to Lasfit's website and you can check out their floor mats along with the other products that they have. And I want to mention that they make floor mats for many different types of vehicles, not just F-150s. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.